Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're having the Instagram login error where you need to wait for certain minutes, you just need to follow up this step and you should be able to fix that error. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So what we can do is we can look out for our internet connection, and the first thing we can do is we can switch between our Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart our phone, look out for the restart option to refresh our network or IP address and try logging in into Instagram once again. Apart from that, we can clear out the cache and data. So for that, hold Insta and go to the info of Insta. And from there, you can just go over, scroll down, find the option for storage and go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on storage in the bottom right corner, you should be finding an option called clear cache. Tap on it. And if not this, you can even tap on this option called clear data. And if you're logged in into any account, you'll be logged out. And then you can try accessing the login page and again, log in. Or if this does not work, if the application is not working, you can try using a browser instead. So for that, go to Chrome or any other browser. And from there, you can just go over directly to Instagram. And once you go to Instagram, hit enter and go to their official site and go to their login page. But you need to log in with your credentials. So you can attempt to log in through a browser instead and see if it works. Apart from that, you can update your application as well. So you can go to Play Store for that. And within here, go to the search and basically look out for Insta here. And once you find it up, you can just go over and update this following app. And that should also probably fix the issue. If that does not work, you can uninstall it, tapping on this uninstall option, and can again reinstall it. And if nothing else works, you can contact the support page of Instagram. That should also work out for you. But those are probably the solutions you can try out. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.